Do you want to start your study adventure abroad in 2026? What if I told you that you can study in top universities around the world without paying tuition fees and even receive a monthly stipend? In today's video, we will explore 25 plus fully funded government scholarships available for international students for the academic year 2026 to 2027. We'll cover their benefits, eligibility, and how you can apply step by step. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Why government scholarships? Government-funded scholarships are among the most prestigious and generous scholarships in the world. They usually cover full tuition fees, monthly living stipend, accommodation, health insurance, travel expenses. These scholarships are available for undergraduate, master's, PhD, and even postdoctoral programs at top universities worldwide. Let's explore them one by one. 1. Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarships. Canada. The Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship is a prestigious, fully funded program for international PhD students in Canada. It offers $50,000 per year for 3 years to support outstanding research candidates. The scholarship is hosted by leading Canadian institutions and aims to attract world-class doctoral researchers. It is highly competitive and one of Canada's top research awards. 2. Chinese Government Scholarship, China. The Chinese Government Scholarship is a fully funded opportunity available at more than 280 universities across China. It supports undergraduate, master's, and PhD students with tuition coverage, accommodation, health insurance, and a monthly stipend of up to 3,500 yuan. This program is ideal for students seeking affordable, high-quality education in China. It welcomes applicants from around the world. 3. DAAD Scholarship, Germany. The DAAD Scholarship is a fully funded program for international master's and PhD students in Germany. It provides €992 per month for graduates and €1,400 per month for doctoral candidates. Students can study at top German universities with financial support, covering living expenses. DAAD is one of the most respected scholarship providers in Europe. 4. MEXT Scholarship, Japan. The MEXT Scholarship is a fully funded Japanese government program for undergraduate, master's, PhD, and training studies. It covers tuition fees, accommodation, monthly allowance, and round-trip airfare to Japan. This scholarship allows students to experience world-class education and Japanese culture. It is one of Asia's most popular fully funded awards. 5. Fulbright Foreign Student Program, USA. The Fulbright Scholarship is a fully funded opportunity for international master's and PhD students in the United States. It covers tuition fees, living stipend, accommodation, airfare, and health insurance. Fulbright is globally recognized for academic excellence and leadership development. It is one of the most prestigious scholarships worldwide. 6. Türkiye Bursları. Türkiye Bursları is a fully funded scholarship for undergraduate, master's, and PhD students. It covers tuition fees, accommodation, health insurance, return flight tickets, and offers a monthly stipend of up to 9,000 Turkish liras. The program allows students to study at top Turkish universities. It is one of the most comprehensive government scholarships available. 7. University of Southern Denmark, Danish Government Scholarship. The Danish Government Scholarship is offered primarily for master's students at the University of Southern Denmark. It provides a full tuition fee waiver to selected international students. This scholarship helps reduce the financial burden of studying in Denmark. It is highly competitive and merit-based. 8. Swiss Government Excellence Scholarships, Switzerland. The Swiss Government Excellence Scholarship supports PhD and postdoctoral researchers in Switzerland. It includes a monthly stipend, tuition exemption, health insurance, airfare, and housing allowance. This scholarship promotes international research collaboration. It is ideal for high-achieving research candidates. 9. Chulalongkorn University, Bangkok Government Scholarship. The Bangkok Government Scholarship at Chulalongkorn University is fully funded for master's and PhD students. It covers full tuition, accommodation, and provides a monthly stipend of 16,000 baht. This scholarship supports international students studying in Thailand. It is competitive and research-focused. 10. Government of Brunei Darussalam. Scholarship, Brunei. This fully funded scholarship supports undergraduate and master's students in Brunei. It provides a monthly allowance of 650 Brunei dollars, free tuition, and accommodation. The program is open to international students from various countries. It is a great opportunity to study in Southeast Asia. 11. Stipendium Hungaricum, Hungary. The Hungarian government scholarship supports undergraduate, master's, and PhD students. It covers tuition fees, a monthly stipend of 43,700 Hungarian forints, accommodation support, and medical insurance. The program is available at multiple Hungarian universities. It is one of Europe's most popular fully funded scholarships. 12. Chevening Scholarship UK. Chevening is a fully funded master's scholarship in the United Kingdom. It covers tuition fees, monthly living allowance, return airfare, and additional grants. The scholarship is awarded to future leaders and professionals worldwide. It is one of the UK's most prestigious awards. 13. Research Ireland Government of Ireland Scholarship. The Government of Ireland Scholarship supports postgraduate students pursuing master's or PhD degrees. It provides €25,000 per year, along with fee contributions and research expenses. This scholarship promotes high-quality research in Irish institutions. It is competitive and research-driven. 14. Italian Government Scholarship, Italy. The Italian Government Scholarship supports master's and PhD students at top Italian universities. It offers €900 per month, covers tuition fees, and includes medical insurance. This program allows students to experience Italy's rich academic and cultural heritage. It is open to international applicants. 15. Nankai University, Tianjin Government Scholarship. The Tianjin Government Scholarship supports undergraduate, master's, and PhD students in China. It offers financial support of up to 2,000 Chinese yuan per month. Students can study at leading institutions like Nankai University. It is a great opportunity for international students interested in China. 16. Mastermind Scholarships, Belgium. The Government of Flanders. Mastermind Scholarship is a fully funded master's program in Belgium. It provides a grant of €10,000 per academic year, plus a tuition fee waiver. The scholarship is offered at universities in Flanders and Brussels. It supports academically excellent students. 17. Colombia Government Scholarship, Colombia. The Colombian Government Scholarship supports specialization, master's, and PhD programs. It covers tuition, books, a monthly grant, and other living expenses. This fully funded program welcomes international students. It aims to promote academic exchange in Latin America. 18. Thailand International Postgraduate Program, Thailand. Thailand government scholarships under TIPP are fully funded master's programs. They cover living allowance, accommodation, books, settlement funds, and thesis allowance. The program supports international students studying in Thailand. It focuses on development-related fields. 19. KNB Scholarship, Indonesia. The Indonesian government KNB Scholarship is fully funded for undergraduate, master's, and PhD students. It provides a settlement allowance of 1,250,000 Indonesian rupiah, monthly living allowance of 2,550,000 Indonesian rupiah, and health insurance. This scholarship supports students from developing countries. It is a strong opportunity to study in Indonesia. 20. Research Training Program Scholarship, Australia. The Australian Government RTP Scholarship is fully funded for master's and PhD students. It provides tuition fee offsets and a stipend of up to $52,352 per year. The scholarship supports research students at Australian universities. It is one of Australia's top research funding programs. 21. Azerbaijan Government Scholarship, Azerbaijan. The Azerbaijan Government Scholarship supports undergraduate, master's, and PhD students. It covers tuition, international flights, medical insurance, visa costs, and a monthly stipend of 800 Azerbaijani manats. This fully funded program is open to international applicants. It promotes global academic cooperation. 22. National Scholarship Program of the Slovak Republic, Slovakia. The National Scholarship Program supports master's and PhD students in Slovakia. It provides financial support of up to €1,025 per month. The scholarship encourages international mobility and research exchange. It is open to students worldwide. 23. Beijing Government Scholarship, China. The Beijing Government Scholarship is funded by the Beijing Municipal Education Commission. It offers awards of up to 40,000 yuan per recipient. The scholarship supports master's and PhD students studying in Beijing universities. It promotes international education in China. 24. Romanian Government Scholarships, Romania. The Romanian Government Scholarship supports undergraduate, master's, and PhD students. It covers tuition fees, accommodation, and a monthly stipend of up to €80. The program is fully funded and open to international applicants. It provides access to quality European education. 25. Ministry of Education, Saudi Arabia, Saudi Government Scholarship. The Saudi Government Scholarship is fully funded for undergraduate, master's, and PhD students at 27 public universities. It covers tuition, accommodation, monthly stipend, health insurance, and travel expenses. This program aims to attract talented international students to Saudi Arabia. It is one of the most comprehensive scholarships in the Middle East. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to Scholarship Roar, share it with your friends, comment below which country you want to study in. For complete details and step-by-step guides, visit scholarshiproar.com. See you in the next video.